What if I told you that you are not just in the universe, but that the universe is alive within you? That your thoughts, your awareness, and even your struggles are the cosmos looking at itself, trying to understand what it is. For as long as we've looked up at the stars, we've asked, why am I here? And what is the purpose of consciousness? Science gives us answers about atoms, planets, and galaxies, but something deeper whispers the truth. You are not separate from the universe. You are the universe made aware, a vital part of its grand unfolding. In today's journey, we'll bridge the wonders of quantum physics, cosmic design, and spiritual insight. You'll see the parallels between the human mind and the cosmic web, the role of consciousness in shaping reality, and why spiritual teachers for centuries have known what science is just now beginning to hint at, that you are part of a living, self-aware universe. If you've ever felt small, lost, or insignificant in the vastness of space, this video will change that. By the end, you'll understand that you are as vast as the universe itself, connected, purposeful, and awake. So let me ask you, are you the universe trying to understand itself? Let's find out together. And if this perspective is already sparking a new way of seeing yourself and the universe, give this video a thumbs up. And for more insights on consciousness, existence, and spiritual growth, hit subscribe and join us on this journey. Look at the vast, endless expanse of the universe. Billions of galaxies bound by invisible threads of energy stretching across unimaginable distances. Now think of the human brain, a dense, intricate network of neurons firing in harmony. At first glance, the universe and your mind seem worlds apart, but when you step back, the similarities are undeniable. Both systems, the cosmic web and the brain, share the same structure. Patterns of interconnected clusters linked by threads. The universe holds billions of galaxies. Your brain holds billions of neurons. It's as though the blueprint of the cosmos is mirrored within you. What makes this even more profound is the purpose of these networks. In your brain, connections create consciousness, awareness of yourself, your thoughts, and the world. In the universe, these vast connections might serve a similar function, creating awareness on a universal scale. Through you, the universe begins to observe and understand its own existence. What if this similarity isn't random? What if you are part of something far greater, an interconnected field of awareness that spans both the microscopic and the infinite? The universe mirrors itself within you, and in doing so, you become more than a part of it. You become its observer, its awareness. So the question becomes, is this connection a coincidence or a deeper truth waiting to be uncovered? Let's explore further. If the universe reflects itself within you, then what role does your consciousness play in shaping this grand design? Here's where science reveals something truly astonishing. In the world of quantum physics, particles behave in ways that defy logic until they are observed. The famous double-slit experiment showed that particles like electrons exist in a state of infinite possibilities, a wave of potential, until someone observes them. At that moment, they choose a single state and become a particle. Think about that. Observation, conscious awareness, collapses potential into reality. Without observation, everything remains undefined, as though the universe itself waits to be seen. This discovery suggests that consciousness isn't just a passive observer, it's an active participant in shaping what we call reality. What if this is true beyond the quantum level? What if your awareness does more than perceive the universe? What if it helps create it? Spiritual traditions have echoed this for centuries. From ancient teachings to modern insights, the message remains the same. Consciousness is not separate from existence. It is existence. It's the thread that connects everything from the smallest particle to the vastness of galaxies. And this is where panpsychism, a profound idea, comes into play. It proposes that consciousness is not an isolated feature of the human brain, but a fundamental quality of the universe itself. From atoms to planets to stars, everything carries a spark of awareness, existing on different levels. When you consider this, it transforms everything. You're not merely observing reality, you're part of the fabric that brings it into being. Every thought, every observation, every moment of awareness is a point where the universe becomes conscious of itself. So, if your consciousness holds this power, what does it mean about your true role in the cosmos? Are you simply living in the universe, or are you the universe awakening to itself through your eyes, your thoughts, and your awareness? This question takes us beyond science into the realm of philosophy and spiritual truth. Science gives us the patterns, but philosophy and spirituality give us the meaning behind those patterns. For centuries, the greatest minds and traditions have pointed to a single truth: that you are not separate from the universe. You are the universe experiencing itself. Alan Watts beautifully expressed this when he said, "You are the universe experiencing itself," very briefly, as a human. In other words, your sense of self is not a small, isolated existence. You are the cosmos unfolding, learning, and awakening through your consciousness. This perspective finds resonance in Eastern spiritual traditions like Advaita Vedanta. It teaches that Atman, your individual self, is not different from Brahman, the universal consciousness. The universe is not something out there, it's you. When you look out at the stars are also looking back through your awareness. Even modern philosophical ideas, like reflexive monism, echo this unity. It proposes that matter and consciousness are two sides of the same coin, inseparable aspects of a single, interconnected reality. From this lens, your thoughts, experiences, and emotions are not isolated phenomena, but threads woven into the very fabric of existence. Pierre Teilhard de Chardin, a visionary thinker, described a universe evolving toward its omega point, a state of ultimate self-awareness. He believed that consciousness is not an accidental feature of existence, it's the driving force behind it. The universe is waking up step by step, and we, as conscious beings, are essential to this awakening. If you've ever stood in awe of the night sky, felt a deep connection to nature, or experienced a moment of pure stillness, you've glimpsed this truth: that you are not observing life, you are life itself, observing. You are the infinite, wrapped in human form, here to understand, feel, and experience the miracle of existence. And this changes everything. If you are the universe observing itself, then your life, your struggles, your joys, your questions carry immense significance. You're not just in the cosmos, you are the cosmos, alive and awake. But why does this matter? What does this understanding mean for how you live your life every day? If you are the universe awakening to itself, then your life is no accident. Every thought, every moment of awareness, every question you ask is part of something far greater, an unfolding process of cosmic self-discovery. This understanding transforms not just how you see the universe, but how you see yourself. Think of it like this: the universe isn't out there, disconnected from your life. It lives through you. Every challenge you face, every relationship you build, and every dream you pursue holds meaning because it's part of the universe expressing itself through your experiences. You're not just a small, fleeting existence. You are a vital piece of the infinite puzzle. This perspective shifts everything. Those feelings of insignificance that creep in when you stare at the stars, they dissolve when you realize that you are made of stars. The same energy that fuels galaxies fuels your thoughts, emotions, and desires. You are as vast as the universe itself. When you understand this, your purpose becomes clearer. You are here to experience, to grow, and to connect. Every moment of love, creativity, or wonder adds to the universe's awareness of itself. Even your struggles carry value. They are part of the cosmic process of learning and evolving. Life isn't random, it's meaningful because you are part of a living, conscious whole. This also deepens your connection to everything around you. If the universe is alive within you, then it's alive within everyone and everything. The people you meet, the nature you experience, and the energy you feel all become reflections of yourself, an extension of the same universal awareness. Some even point to the Gaia hypothesis, the idea that Earth itself functions like a living organism. Its ecosystems, life forms, and cycles all work in harmony, mirroring the interconnectedness of the universe. And within this living, breathing system, you are not separate, you are essential. So ask yourself, if you are the universe becoming conscious, what does that mean for the way you live? How can you honor this connection in your thoughts, actions, and purpose? Reflect on everything we've explored so far. If the universe is awakening through you, if your consciousness is a vital part of this grand design, then what role are you playing in its unfolding? Ask yourself, what if every moment of awareness, every thought, every realization is part of the universe's journey toward knowing itself? What if your passions, your dreams, and even your struggles are not random, but pieces of something infinitely meaningful? Think back to those moments when you felt an overwhelming connection, a sunrise that took your breath away, the stillness of a quiet night, the feeling of being part of something much larger than yourself. Those moments are the universe reminding you of your place within it. So I ask you, does this perspective change the way you see yourself? How does it make you feel to know that your life is woven into the very fabric of existence? Reflect on this deeply. Share your thoughts in the comments. How have you experienced this connection before? Maybe in moments of awe, in nature, or in those quiet, introspective times when you felt more alive and awake than ever. When we share our experiences, we remind each other that we are not alone. We are all connected, not just to one another, but to the same universal awareness that makes the stars burn and the planets spin. You are not just in the universe, you are the universe, awake, aware, and alive in human form. Your thoughts, your experiences, and even your questions are all part of the cosmos discovering itself. This perspective changes everything. It invites you to see your life as meaningful, purposeful, and connected to something vast and eternal. The moments of awe, the struggles you face, and the love you give, these are the universe expressing itself through you. So take this understanding with you. The next time you feel small or insignificant, remember that the energy of stars and galaxies flows through you. You are the observer and the observed, the thinker and the thought. By simply being aware, you give the universe a voice, a pair of eyes, and a heart that feels. If this perspective awakens something within you, subscribe and become part of this journey. And if you want to go even deeper into the nature of reality, watch our latest video. You might just question everything you think you know about time, existence, and your role in it. Or let the algorithm guide you to where you're meant to be. As always, we'd like to thank you a lot for being here with us.